Hello everyone, Sam is here from creativetradingsystems.com making this video about gold. So let's get started here. This is, I'm going to take you back a little bit. This is the monthly chart. I'm tracking this also on the monthly and weekly and smaller time frame. So monthly chart, let's take a look at that one. First, 15th October 2022. This was Elliott wave count 1, 2, 3, 4, and wave 5 comes to the upside. Here, this is the diagram that you follow. 1, 2, 3, ABC sideways correction, flat correction for wave 4, and then comes wave 5. So what happened to that chart? Slowly it start to go up, right? And then I made this chart on 14th January. It's powerfully going to the upside for wave 5. Here it is now. And I said, we might retrace into this area first before going to the upside. And then what happened is that, yeah, it came down a little bit, started to come down. So I said, all right, let me see if it will come down here, 1795, and then go to the upside. So that was the 4th Feb, right? And then finally, the last chart I made was like 4th March. It came down here to that level, right? And now started to bounce. So I said, okay, we're going to go up again also. And then the biggest hurdle in the way is this yellow band. So first here, and then we go to the upside. And I don't know, see, it's going to the upside now, nice and clean, powerfully, and reaching to this yellow band. This is how the last chart I made on the March 18th on gold monthly. Now, let's take a look at the weekly chart at the same time what I was doing from October 15th. This is wave 4, ABC correction, wave 4, followed by boom, boom. Now, this is the very important chart, very interesting. And I said that we're going to drop here first, 1802, and then go to the upside. And guess what? Exactly the same thing happened. The price came down, drop, and then start to go up. Right? You see that? And now this is the chart on 18 March. And this is another one, that 19th. Let me see what is the last. Okay, this is the one. So April 1st, I made this chart as well. Once we hit that 1998 area, and then that big yellow band is still up there. So I said, maybe we're going to drop here and then, it's like 1920, and then go up. First, we're going to hit this number and may drop. If we break this, then we go all the way to this area, 2199 for wave 5, and even higher. But this area was the concern at this point. 1st April, that we're going to go up from somewhere here and then hit that yellow band. After that, we will see what happens. So what happened to this chart is, oops, not this. See that? This is today, 6th, Monday, not Monday, Saturday early morning. So we went up nice and clean and we hit that yellow band, right? So we hit the yellow band and got pulled back as I was expecting. Breaking this level is going to be very, very tough, but possible. So now we're coming down slowly, and somewhere we are bouncing. Where? You can't see it here. But let me show you my 80-minute chart, and you will probably understand. This is my 80-minute chart. You see this rise all the way from there? You pull the trend line here, correcting this low and this dot here. So price went up, came back, testing one more time, going up, little shy here, and then went up all the way to 2074. And guess what? Came back down and hitting this 1998 and the rising TL. And was at the time of closing, it was kind of like bouncing. Let me open up the chart, and you can see that we are probably going to post a reversal candle here, right? It's a white candle underway. So that is kind of reversal candle. It reverses the move. So are we going to go to the upside? Maybe, because you see this rise from here to here, came down 78%. After that, this is, for retracement, two powerful levels are 61% and 78%. For extension, two powerful numbers are 127 and 161, right? So we are at this 78.6% and probably going to bounce. Now, yesterday, in fact, today I made a video showing that yen index, how the reversal candle, post a reversal candle, posting after the posting the reversal candle, how the price moved to the upside, and I give you decent trades. Now, what is happening here? How to make the entry? That I have like 40-minute and 20-minute chart, but let me show you my 20-minute chart. That the idea is that once you have this reversal candle finished, you're supposed to get a long entry on 20-minute chart. Let's say my 20-minute chart is this. So you see it's down, 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 down. All of a sudden it goes up. And now yellow is above the black. This indicates all the way down. And it was a long entry, by the way. But Friday, at the end of the day, end of the week, you don't want to make the entry. Definitely not, right? So Monday comes, and we will see that if you will roll and go to the upside. The same thing happened today. And I made the video yesterday that it's going to happen. And it happened, and I took the trade. Let me show you exactly the same thing. Look, you see that? Down, 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 down. All of a sudden, it goes like this up. Give you a long entry, and boom. This is pound yen today. Friday straight, 120. I predicted this trade one day before ahead of time. And exactly the same thing happened. And that is exactly the same thing probably going to happen here as well. If that chart, the weekly chart, stays above, where the heck is weekly chart? Okay, now I got, all right. So now this is the current one, by the way. That was the picture, right? So this one, not that's 80-minute chart, man. Okay. All right. So you see this level here, 1998. If you look at that on a weekly chart, where is it? 1998, this. So price actually came, hit, and then now bouncing, right? You can't see it here, but you just saw it on the 20-minute chart. So 1998, and after that, what you have is basically these highs, little highs here. So that's it. So today we had an NFP, right? So let's take a look at the US dollar index. What it is doing is that it was supposed to go to the upside, but NFP, make the changes, right? Adjustment in our lives. So what happened today? This week, NFP took it down. We went down today. Okay, here, 4-hour chart, you can see that this is what happened, right? Now the question is that, is it going to hold here? The TL is going to hold and then go back up, or it will continue to go to the downside. This can go easily to the downside, because if you look at the monthly chart, what I had here, so this is how it looks like. But yeah, from here, it can retrace back to this high here, 1920, or even lower, right? Or the current weekly chart, it's dropping, and then it can easily come down here. For example, let's say if you pull the fib from here to here, right? Yeah, even 38% is like, 1968. So yeah. No, that's not. What am I doing here? Because I'm getting confused here. Let me open the here. Let me see if I what is this? That's gold. I was mistakenly showing you that. Okay, here. See this monthly chart. Actually, US dollar index. I wanted to show. I showed gold. Stupid. Now monthly chart of this. Look, from here to here, the fib, it can come easily to 61% or even 78%, or this area. So today NFP made the turn, and then like pressure is to the downside. So let's see. We be very careful when the market opens up, because USD determine the direction in many things, including gold, right? So if it continues to go to the downside, then gold will probably have a good chance to go up. So let's see if the TL is going to hold, or we will drop here, or maybe here, or 0219, these areas, or maybe here. 1026 is already gone. So now these are the numbers. 0698 is also a very, very good candidate, very good target here that we can come to, right? So if the USD start dropping, USD gonna get weaker, and then gold will move accordingly. So I just showed you the gold, where it's sitting on that 80-minute chart, and be ready. No, not this, man. 80-minute chart here. All right. So if it is going to go up and then give me my entry on the 20-minute, I'll take it and I'll show you the next day, my trade, right? Just like I do always, right? So this is how the gold is, brother. And we are still up. The move is up and we are going for wave 5 is still underway, and we are going towards the target, bouncing from this here 78% and this 1998. The next target would be again this high 2074 or even higher number towards these. 100% is 2148 and all of these numbers, right? 23 something is, I think, that the gold is going to go bouncing from here. So let's see what happens. All right. So this is it for now, and that's where I stand in gold. And hopefully, even 1998, but this number, see this high is 2009. You must stay above this in order to go to the upside. Just keep in mind that level, 2009. Okay. So, all right then. Hopefully, I'll talk to you guys later about US dollar index and some other pairs. All right. So bye for now and talk to you guys later.